Hey everyone, welcome back to ThemeHunk. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Open Shop WordPress theme to the latest version. First, let's check which version of the theme we're currently using. To do this, go to Appearance, Themes and hover your mouse over the Open Shop theme. You'll see the version number appear in a tooltip. In this case, we're using version 1.7.3. So for updating to the latest version, click here on Add New option, and click on Upload Theme. Now here we have to upload a zip file of the latest version of the theme. To download the latest version of the theme, go to your members area account on ThemeHunk.com. Now log in to your account by entering your ID password, entering a captcha and clicking on the login button. Now you can see your account on ThemeHunk. To download the latest version of the theme, click on the Pro Theme tab here. Now click on the theme you want to download. Now we have to install the latest version of the theme. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Click on the Choose File option, and upload the latest version of the theme zip file. Click on Install Now. Now click on the Replace Active with Uploaded button here. Now check whether you have the latest version of the or not. Click here on the Themes, and click on the Open Shop Pro theme. As you can see, we have successfully installed the latest version of the theme. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand the theme updation process. If you have any questions, you can ask via the comment section, or you can also contact us anytime. Thanks for watching this video.